Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about one of the fanciest little British sports cars you could ever ask for, and the best one of them all. Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, in our indoor showroom that houses almost 100 classic and collectible cars, including this really prime example of the last of the big Healeys. This is a BJ-8, and it actually is one of the ones that everybody is after, and it is in the right color, of course. Bright red, black interior. The chrome work and paint on this car is really, really well done. It was just completed not too long back. Like I say, the chrome is in very, very nice condition. All new rubber, wire wheels. It's got a newer top, got the boot and the whole 9 yards. But yeah, the BJ-8, that's the one that everybody is after because it's the last of what they call the big Healeys. It has the standard transmission, of course, the 4-speed on the floor, so it can get up and go wherever you want it to go. One of those kind of cars that, you know, if you're looking for one of these English cars, it's really well priced, I think, if you do any market comparisons. And we have it sitting right here at Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers, Minnesota, of all places. Our showroom is open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Come and take a look in person if you're in the neighborhood. We'd love to show you the car. If you don't have that opportunity, you can visit our website, www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, and there we have all our inventory online. You'll be able to see everything about this, underside, inside, engine compartment, all those details that sometimes you like to have. You can also find it on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram as well. So if you're looking for that perfect little car for the summer, the little red sports car, we've got it right here at Ellingson's. Come and take a look. I'm sure you'll like this one.